Hello everyone, in these how to test tips we're going to be talking about 5G signal analysis, supported by OneAdvisor 100 or CellAdvisor 5G, both having the same user interface. So first I'm going to go into the main menu and I'm going to select the real-time persistence spectrum. Basically here I want to see how many signals are active and we have power levels. So I'm gonna go and configure my real-time spectrum on frequency, and then I'm gonna start at 850 MHz and then I'm gonna stop at 900 MHz. Then I'm gonna be making some adjustments in amplitude. So I'm gonna remove the attenuation. By default is 20 dB, so I'm just gonna put 0 dBs. And second, I'm going to go into leveling. So right now I have it at 0. I'm going to go down to -30. And then I have visibility here of multiple signals. Two of them are 5G. One is at 5 MHz and the other one is at 10 MHz. So now to have an analysis of these signals, I'm going to go back into my main menu and select 5G NR signal analysis. I'm going to start with carrier scanner. This is going to give me the ability to add multiple 5G signals that I can analyze at the same time, regardless if they have a different channel bandwidth. So I'm gonna go and make the configuration, and the first one it's gonna be at 872 MHz. That is the one that actually has a 5 MHz channel bandwidth, and then I'm gonna be looking for the beam information. The second one, the second carrier that I'm going to be enabling here, it's at 884.9 MHz. That's DSS signal and that's 10 MHz wide. And then I'm going to be looking for the SSB. Automatically we find the SSB, and as you can see now we have both of them in terms of power level and also in quality of the signal. In addition, I can do a beamforming analysis. Here I'm going to be able to get the beam ID as well as the cell ID, so I know how many beams and which radio is transmitting. In this case, only one beam is being transmitted. On the other carrier, I can do exactly the same test and obtain the cell ID and beam ID, and yet again it's only one beam transmitted, coming just from one radio. For more information, please visit Viavi 5G Test Solutions. Thanks for watching.